From all the team, all the way around here, the BTP Bunch, we wish you a Merry Christmas, a safe holiday, and we hope that this period of time is good to you, and we're here to look after anything that may go wrong with your IT and phone systems and backups and antivirus and all that stuff, but giving you a chance to have a bit of a break and come back in the new year refreshed. And we hope we see you all in the new year and that all remain safe and have a joyous time. Thank you for being with BTP in 2023. Look forward to seeing you again in 2024 and the wider team.
Merry Christmas, and we hope you have a fantastic break over this period.
Hey everyone, Don from Business Technology Partners here. Just wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and here's hoping we all have a fantastic 2024. Take care.
Hello, Gary from BTP here, just wishing you a safe and merry festive season. Bye.
Hi, Johnny here from Business Technology Partners. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and stay safe. See you next year.
Have a great and safe holiday from Kushal at BTP.
Hi everyone, it's Mark here from BTP. Hope you and your family have a great Christmas and New Year break, and we'll see you all again in the new year, all happy and healthy. Merry Christmas everyone.
All of us at Business Technology Partners have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Samir at BTP.